How to turn on data saver mode on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn on data saver mode on WhatsApp. Now let's get started. First we need to open our WhatsApp app. Then we should click on option settings at the right corner at the bottom. Here we need to find option storage and data and click on it as well. In appearance menu we should find option which is called media upload quality and click on it. Here we see three options: auto, best quality and data saver. If you want to enable data saver mode on WhatsApp, just click on data saver. This option lowers data during chats and calls. And that's all. It was how to turn on data saver mode on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.